What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video, I'm sure you can tell by the title that we are comparing two Bluetooth speakers. On my left hand side, I have got Anker Soundcore Motion Plus, and on the right LG XBOOM Go PL7 with Meridian sound technology. Now this video is a brief comparison between the features offered by both Bluetooth speaker and the output sound performance, which will give you an idea that which one you should go for and what are the differences as well. I have done a full detailed video reviews on both of these products. Link for that is available in the video description. So why not check them out as well. To start with, first we're going to check out the key features, and to find out all about these features I do not need to go too far. Everything which I need to know is available around the packaging. Where on the Soundcore Motion Plus we are getting 20 watt of power output, bass up technology, extended treble and bass information, active crossover, 12 hours of play time, USB-C compatible, having a feature of wireless stereo pairing, have a support of Soundcore application. With the help of that you can actually tweak the equalizer settings, as well as IPX7 full waterproof rating. And on LG XBOOM PL7, which come with the features like Meridian technology, guarantee you that you're always going to hear clear sound quality and vocals, dual action bass, sound boost mode, all day life battery, which is 24 hours, multicolor lighting for the party mode, wireless party link up to 100 units. You can also connect it with your LG compatible television using the Bluetooth surround technology as well. Water resistance up to IPX5, and also supports the XBOOM application, which is pretty decent. I have done a full detailed video review on that. Check that one out for sure. Now in terms of power output, Soundcore Motion Plus come with the 30 watt of output, where you have a 2-line driver in the front, one passive radiator in the front and one on the back, 2 tweeters as well, which definitely makes sure that you get a great sound quality output. All the controlling buttons are available right on the top, with also got the bass boost button too. Power on and off button is on the right hand side of the speaker, and a compartment to access your USB-C type to charge your Bluetooth speaker, and 3.5mm auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices. Whole body of the speaker come with the rubbery feel around it, not that bad at all. Fantastic mesh as well. Kind of an old design, I would say that. Whereas on PL7, you all going to notice everything new. In the front of the speaker, you have a 2-line drivers, delivering up to 30 watt of output, and 2 passive radiator with the RGB fantastic LED lights, and they really dance when you play some music on them. All the controls are available right on the top of the Bluetooth speaker, with the option of bass boost as well, with the status indicator light. All ports to charge your mobile phone and charge the Bluetooth speaker are available on the back, and also the buttons to turn off LED light, true wireless stereo option, and multiple Bluetooth connectivity option too. From the build quality point of view, both speakers are fantastic, but from the design, LG is the winner for sure, no doubt whatsoever. Well, let's go ahead with the audio performance now, where I'll be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube to give you an idea that which speaker is a bassy, loud and clear. And I would highly recommend every one of you to use the earphone if possible. The volume of both speakers will be set to 100% within the same test, and exactly same music will be played on both too. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and I try to show each and every feature offered by both Bluetooth speaker. On my right hand side, I have got a LG XBOOM Go PL7 latest and greatest Bluetooth speaker, which they claim is a very nice and clear sound quality Bluetooth speaker. No doubt whatsoever on that part, to be honest with you. It is very clear, vocals or seems to be pretty decent as well, and you don't seem to have a deteriorating sound at all at the high volumes as well. Now, if I look into the Motion Soundcore Plus, which is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker, no doubt whatsoever if you compare with any Bluetooth speaker in this range actually. Performance of this is outstanding. It is loud, bassy, vocals are clear as well, but have noticed bit of deterioration on the top nodes. But that's not a deal breaker at all from my side, to be honest with you. You can customize the equalizer settings within the Soundcore application to change the sound how you want it actually. So it's all adjustable. I have done a detailed video review on both of these Bluetooth speaker. Link for them is available in the video description. Now from the price point of view, Soundcore you can buy it for about £90, give or take. Sometime you got a deal, you can get it for even £80 as well. Whereas the LG XBOOM at the moment of time, they have got a £30 off going on, but still it's about £120 in the UK. Nice Bluetooth speaker in terms of design. Passive radiators with the ring is a completely latest thing which is up and going. Can charge your mobile phone as well, and a playtime of 24 hours. Not that bad at all. So it is actually a winner, to be honest with you. Now, which speaker I would recommend the most actually? Well, there is no hard and fast recommendation. Soundcore Motion Plus is fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. Competitive price as well. Whereas if you have got a little bit extra budget, you can go with this LG XBOOM PL7 only because of its unique design and a balanced sound quality for indoor as well as for outdoors. Come with a playtime of 24 hours. On that note guys, thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another comparison video. Bye for now.